Hello students, welcome to the course Software Design and Modeling presented by Department of Information Technology, Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. In this video, you will learn topic 1.2 Importance of Object Orientation from Unit 1 Object Oriented Methodologies and UML. This is the outline of the topic Importance of Object Orientation. High level of abstraction, seamless transition among different phases of software development, encouragement of good programming techniques, promotion of reusability. So let us see the importance of the object orientation. Object-oriented methods enables us to create a set of objects that work together synergistically to produce software that better model their problem domain rather than similar systems produced by traditional techniques. So in the so earlier we have discussed that the traditional techniques uh, are also can be used for the purpose of producing the softwares, but if we use object oriented method, so that will use or that will create a set of objects, and these particular objects they will work together and this particular model uh, which models their problem domain, it is going to model the problem domain of that particular software in a better fashion than that of the traditional procedure oriented model. The systems are easier to adopt changing requirement, easier to maintain, more robust, and promote greater design and code use. So these particular systems they are easy to adapt to the changing requirement. In the software development it happens that the requirements they are going to change. They sometimes the changes are smaller changes, sometimes the changes are larger changes. So they are easier to adapt. That means the change can be made easily in the object oriented uh, models rather than the traditional procedure oriented models. They are easier to maintain that at a later stage if some issues are going to be there, then in that case to resolve those particular issues, these particular object oriented systems they can be used, or they are easy to uh, debug at that particular stage also, okay, or the configuring this particular system becomes easy for the purpose of maintaining those particular systems. They are more robust, that is they are not vulnerable to the different types of you can say the problems, uh, whereas this particular uh, system object oriented system they promote the use of code reusability. Okay, the inheritance mechanism is there, and the class, once you form these classes they can be used any number of times in the other systems also. The object-oriented development allows us to create modules of functionality. Okay, so that is the importance of object-oriented object orientation. Once objects are defined, it can be taken for granted that they will work, they will perform their desired functions, and you can seal them off in your mind like black boxes. So once the object are defined, they are created, then the the object may be very complex objects, but after once it is designed, then you can forget the details of that particular object, and you can just uh, keep in mind how that particular object is to be used. You can make that particular object as a black box, so whatever is inside that the black box, so you don't have to worry about that. Your attention as a programmer shifts to what they do rather than how they do it. So the details, they are kept hidden.